Hello everyone, in this video I will explain to you how to create an account on TikTok. When opening the application for the first time, we click here on Agree and Continue. When this notification appears, I will click on Allow. Here we will select the things we want to watch videos about. Then I will click on Next. Here I swipe up to start watching videos. To create an account on TikTok, click on Profile at the bottom right. When this notification appears, click Cancel. Here I will click on Sign Up. Here are 3 options for creating a TikTok account. I will choose to create an account using email. Here you can choose to sign up with your phone number or email address. I will choose to create an account using email. Here I will add the email to create the account. After adding the email, click Continue. Here I will add a password for the account. It must contain at least 8 characters, and it is preferable that it be a combination of letters and numbers and special character. After adding the password, click Continue. Here I will add my date of birth. Then we click on Continue. Here I will add a nickname. Then we click on Continue. After finishing, I press again on Profile. As you can see, the account creation on TikTok has been completed. To add a profile picture, click on this circle. You can take a photo or upload a photo. If you like the video, click like and subscribe to my channel to encourage me to provide everything new.